We often think of nature as peaceful and gentle, but did you know that hidden deep within it are strange phenomena that make us unable to believe our eyes? In today's video, you will witness spectacular, mysterious, and sometimes inexplicable moments. Let's explore to see the Earth is not only beautiful, but also truly magical and full of surprises. Everything seemed peaceful until the ground started to collapse right behind their car. A massive rock slide has hit Colorado, causing major traffic disruptions. Even though she was a little nervous, her eyes still exuded courage.
Right there, yeah.
This scene left me speechless. What about you? Iceland breathes out red lava, violent and uncontrollable. The amount of pollen in this tree is just overwhelming.
Look at that! Oh my God! Holy shit! Holy shit! It's like a hurricane!
Nature is merciless when she is angry. There are so many fish swimming around here. Guess what attracts them? A tornado suddenly swept through the suburbs of New Orleans, bringing debris and downing power lines. Tornadoes can appear suddenly and have serious consequences. Like in this clip, a truck flips over in a split second. Have you ever seen lightning spiders spread across the sky like a web?
Jesus.
It was as simple as dropping a piece of cloth into the hole, but what happened next surprised everyone. It is no coincidence that people call Baobab the tree of life, a miraculous gift from nature. Giant hailstones fell on Frisco Lake as the storm passed through, causing the water to appear to boil. Thanks to bioluminescent algae, each raindrop makes the sea surface light up like a starry sky, a quiet miracle that nature gives to the dark night. Car windows shattered in Alberta's fierce hailstorm. Each impact sounded like firecrackers exploding in the rain. Thousands of starlings suddenly invaded the parking lot of a Houston grocery store, turning it into their own territory. Amazing hunting moments in the wild. The speed and accuracy of spiders are amazing. Wow! Beneath the surface of Lake Bonito in Mato Grosso do Sul, Brazil, lies an enchanting world. Lava erupted violently from Cumbre Vieja, shooting hundreds of meters into the air. A stunning display that was both breathtaking and unnerving. A natural phenomenon created by millions of web spiders leaving flooded areas in Australia. The night lit up the forest. Fireflies lit up in unison like the heartbeat of nature.
Jordan! Dude, I'm so glad we are not up here.
Oh my gosh, we would have died.
Before every climb, don't forget to check the weather forecast and seismic warnings.
Holy shit!
That was
Holy
That was
shit!
our jelly bean rock.
Dude, we just were up
We're
there
gonna get hit by the
today.
freaking smoke. Look
We
at this.
just were up there today.
Dude, we hiked out through that. We wouldn't have
Dude.
survived.
The flock of sheep crossed the valley one after another, creating a strangely peaceful scene. Rare moment in the volcanic region, where spider lightning lights up like a work of art in the air. Chaotic scenes in Greece, cars and rubbish bins floating in floodwaters. Meet Cystosoma, the invisible man of the ocean. That's Phronima sedentaria, a deep-sea creature that looks both scary and curious. A sudden dust storm interrupted a cultural festival in Brittany, causing chaos for a moment. Engslingen Falls, Switzerland. The water pouring from a height is overwhelming like a white silk strip in the middle of the mountain, a natural masterpiece. The 2011 tsunami disaster in Japan, a testament to the uncontrollable power of nature at its peak.
This one.
In South Brum, south of Africa, a huge wave crashed into a beachside restaurant, causing chaos. An unexpected sight in broad daylight. Kazakhstan's spectacular glaciers. The icy beauty is revealed at the Bogdanovich Glacier, located on the northern slopes of the Trans-Ili Alatau Range.
Look at this, look at this. I was about to say, yeah, you might want to.
Maybe it's not ready to say goodbye yet. South America, where nature displays breathtaking beauty. A massive fire broke out in Wythenshawe. Billowing black smoke rose into the sky. Heavy snow is blanketing northeast Colorado, causing severe visibility on highways. Drive carefully. Ukrainian nature once again amazes people with its spectacular glaciers, a scene that seems like it only exists in movies.
Це там все підіймає, ріка це зараз у Кутному, там може і біда бути. Та подивіться. Ага, порвало. Ну, це...
Every frog croak created ripples on the calm lake. If you find nature as magical and unbelievable as I do, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next journeys. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video. Thanks for army.